Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and yes, I did it again. Like I said in my last video, never say never. Bath & Body Works sent me another email saying they had this terrific deal on hand soaps. And again, as I mentioned, that's the one thing that I was running out of. It was hand soaps and wallflowers. And guess what? They were $2.95 each. Plus, I had a $10 off 30 coupon from my last haul. So that brought each hand soap to, each hand soap, first of all, retails for $7.50. They had a sale for $2.95. And with my 10 off 30 coupon, it brought each hand soap to $2.04, as you can see there. So my grand total was $22.45 subtotal. After taxes, it came up to $25.37, a total discount of $60.05. So of course I couldn't pass that up. And I have a good excuse. Not only did I buy for myself, these make great stocking stuffers. So I took advantage and I bought 11 of them for $22.45 subtotal. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around, please keep on watching. Let us take this bag out of the way. And that sign over there, the Let It Snow sign, I picked up at Walmart, and it lights up. It's so cute. That little Christmas tree, which you can only see the bottom half of it, I picked up at Dollarama, and I just put a string of lights, the battery operated lights, and it looks so cute. So in case you're wondering, that's where I purchased them. So the first soap I purchased was this Marshmallow Flurries, and these are mostly winter scents and some Christmas scents. So you know how I love my marshmallows, so I picked up that. I'm not going to give you the scent description because there's way too many to go through, but let me know down below if you've tried any of these scents, whether you like them, whether you dislike them. Are they repurchases? Let me know. But I love marshmallows, so I picked up that one. I'm just going to lay it down here. I picked up, this is a staple every Christmas, the Winter Candy Apple, which I absolutely love. And those are the gentle foaming hand washes. Those are my favorite. I really liked this packaging. It is the Arctic Berry. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I picked up a Twisted Peppermint, again a staple during this time of year. I also picked up the Sparkling Icicles. This is not necessarily a winter or Christmas scent, but I just love it. I love the wallflower in this as well. It's the Energy, and you can see it's orange and ginger, and it's aromatherapy. So I picked that one up. Yeah, I picked up 2 of the Marshmallow Flurries. Picked up a Frosted Cranberry. Love that in candle scent as well. And we have 3 more. Picked up the Candy Cane Bliss. Picked up a Spiced Peppermint. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. Although I don't necessarily always have the packaging on display because I have one of those sleeves. But this one I might just display because it's so pretty. They all are. And the last but not least, I picked up the Winter Citrus Wreath. Right over there. Look at the mountains in the background. So pretty. So those are the 11 I picked up. And yeah, they did it again, guys. They gave me not 1, not 2, but 3 10 off 30 coupons. And these are good until December 24th. I'm not going to say I'm not going back until the semi-annual sale because they always entice me with these great savings. But I think I'm pretty good with my stock right now. So yeah, so that was my haul this time around. Let me know if you made it out to the sale and what did you purchase, and because I would love to know. So like always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, have a fantastic day.